Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to stay updated when I make a new upload. And please follow me on Instagram as well. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the Hyundai Verna, and today's video is all about the air conditioning. So basically all Hyundai Verna owners, whoever have this automatic climate control, whoever has this clean air technology can do this. Then you can check whether your air conditioning is proper or not, like it doesn't have any fault or anything. So there are two steps for that. Like normally you just do this, the air conditioning starts. So the step one is keep it pressed at off. Step two, press this 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, it's blinking and it's showing 0. 0 means the air conditioning is perfect. There's no problem. If it shows any number means the air conditioning has a problem. So you should show it to any one of your nearest dealerships so that they will help you. And most probably you won't get anything like any problem. And if you want to get out of it, just press off and again, that's all. Thank you so much. Please like, comment and subscribe.